Servicing minor aids requires the use of some basic electrical test equipment. Reading voltages is a fundamental part of working on electronic equipment. The black common port is located on the bottom left of most fluke meters. Plug in the black lead. The port for the red lead may have other symbols by the V. Rotate the selector to volts direct current. Try reading a voltage from your battery. Reversing the leads will display a negative potential. Testing servicing cable will help catch discrepancies before they occur. First, set up your meter to test insulation. On this Fluke 1577, the insulation test leads are plugged in on the bottom left of the meter. Plug the red lead in the insulation plus port, and the black lead in the insulation negative. Rotate the selector knob to insulation. Use caution when testing insulation, as the meter can create high voltages. Chapter 2 of your servicing guide describes the following steps. The test button on the meter or on the test probe can be used for the following procedures. With the leads apart and the test button pressed, the meter should read the maximum resistance of 550 megaohms. Short the leads together and press the button. The meter should read no resistance. You have now tested your meter and test leads. It is important to isolate the cable under test by disconnecting it from its power source and aid. Remember to use caution and not touch any of the conductive parts when taking readings, as the meter is capable of producing high voltages. With the cable isolated from other equipment, connect your leads to one end of the cable and ensure the other end's leads are apart. Press the test button and the meter should read maximum resistance. Note, in your servicing guide, the reading is only required to be greater than 1 megaohm. Disconnect your test equipment and short the opposite end of the cable under test. Again, connect your test leads and press the test button. The meter should read no resistance. Note in your servicing guide that the reading is only required to be less than 1 megaohm. Now test to ensure the cable is not shorted to the structure. Place both test leads on the structure and press the test button. You should read no resistance. This is to ensure you have a good contact with the structure. If not, you may have to remove corrosion for a good test point. At this point, the cable under test should still have one end shorted together. Connect one of the test probes to the cable and the other to the structure. Press the test button. The meter should read a high resistance. Note in your servicing guide, the resistance is only required to be greater than 1 megaohm. With the battery disconnected from the aid and servicing cable, now is a good time to load test your battery. Chapter 2, Part 5 of your servicing guide describes this procedure. Connect a single battery load tester to the battery. Wait 10 minutes and check the voltage of the battery with the load tester connected. If the voltage is below 12 volts DC, the battery should be replaced. If the reading is above 12 volts, the battery can be returned to service.